Monaco biscuit treat, which you can surprise your parents and friends. And it's very easy recipe. In 10 minutes you can finish it. So let's get started. So let's start with ingredients. First ingredient is our Monaco biscuit, Parle Monaco biscuit. Okay, now the next ingredient: butter, milk, chopped capsicums, and maida, a little bit of cheese, and salt and pepper for taste, and a little bit of tomato ketchup. Okay, so let's start with lighting Okay, make sure you're keeping it in low flame, and let's add butter. Let's melt it. Let it melt. Now let's add a spoon of maida in it. Not much, just it should thicken, that's fine. Wow, good smell. Now let's add a little bit of milk. It's milk. Let it heat here. Now let's add a little bit of capsicum. Let it thicken for some while. So keep mixing so that it doesn't burn. Now let's add cheese, our favorite ingredient. Yummy, yummy, tasty. Let's wait for the cheese to melt. So it should thicken a little more. Now let's add salt for taste, and a little bit pepper for a little spice. So keep mixing till it thickens. Just for 2-3 minutes, it will thicken slowly. See it slowly thickening. See bubbles start coming. Okay, now let it cool down for some while. Let's switch off the gas. Okay. Now, as you can see, the white sauce is thickened now. So as it cools, it thickens further. Okay, now let's start making the last part of the biscuitry. So now let's add slowly the white sauce into the biscuits. A little. yeah, so this is our final thing. Monaco 3 biscuits.